What up, you guys, and welcome back to CHENG'S Aqua. I'm a little sweaty because it's hot as hell in here. Anyway, let's get started. We've got our big tank, and you guys have been keeping up. We've been setting this up slowly and slowly, adding fish one by one, etc. Adding sand, adding plants, adding these beautiful Anubias, jowl fern. Look at the catfish. Look at the ghost knifefish. We got the discus. We got the other one hiding over there. We got the datnoid. But we still don't have our rays in here yet. But that's gonna change today. I caught one of them out of my other tank before, and we're gonna be acclimating this bad boy. And literally all I'm gonna do is put this bucket inside of there, right? That's the process. I could be doing a drip acclimation, I guess. But what I'm gonna do is put this bad boy in here, like so, and then slowly start adding cup by cup, right? So kind of like a drip acclimation at the same time as a temperature one. But these parameters should be the same because these guys are all doing fine as well. So yeah, cool. We're gonna be adding some more water. Here we go. Cool. Still acclimating. Almost there. So I'm comfortable now with actually letting our black diamond go. Let me turn the lights on. So I'm now comfortable enough to let our black diamond loose, or to roam around. It's not a dinosaur, but whatever. Point is, I can release him. Here goes nothing. Go. Enjoy. Go to the bottom. The first stingray in the aquarium. Super cool. I'm excited. Are you guys excited? I'm excited. I'm gonna be doing another coat on the stand, by the way. This paint has dried up. Not the prettiest. So that's gonna happen. But I'm gonna turn off the lights and let him acclimate. But I'm excited. I'm telling you guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We've got a bunch more videos like this. We still have to bring in the other two stingrays. He's the first one. He's gonna be in here until tomorrow. If he's doing all good, tomorrow we'll bring over another one. Probably the albino. So stay tuned for that video, guys. Peace. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, man. We got so many cool videos. And we still need to buy more fish. So, and I'm still gonna be making new hinges for these. Maybe doing the same thing on these two. So again, guys, we've got a bunch of plans coming up. Stay tuned for more. Peace. So he's in there now. Oh, hiding in there. We also have our ghost knife fish over there hiding. Oh, there he goes. Catfish or datnoid. Discus. Yeah, I really love the plants here. But anyway, I'm getting sidetracked. But anywho, they're looking great. They're doing fine. I'm gonna see by tomorrow if they're doing all good. Then we'll throw in the albino. And then the other one too. But cool beans. This gets ready to eat again. Thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to see more videos like this. Why don't you check us out on TikTok and Instagram? We post daily there.